Yes, welcome back. I'm gonna quickly send everything to my the develop branch on the GitHub. So I'm gonna show you how to do that so that you can, if you're following my lecture, you can easily access my GitHub page and look at these codes, practice them and study them very well and effectively so that you see the way they work. The error we saw in the last class, I think if you play it on your system, you will not see that error. So try it out and tell me back whether we still have error. So you remember this is the code we have for our express. We are using import command instead of const require because we are using ES6. So do it to this point and tell me what's happening. But before then, I'm gonna quickly be able to branch out so that we can see what we want. And for me to branch out, I'm gonna first of all cd into the main work. That's cd dot dot. Make sure that I'm not in the back end, I'm in the main project because that is where I want to branch out from. So I'm gonna simply say git branch. So if I say git branch, I'm gonna be able to see the branches that I have. You can see I have develop and master, but I want to branch the develop out. I'm already in the develop already, so no need to do other things than simply to say git. That is the command to push what I have in my system to my GitHub so that everybody in the world can see it. So git follow up push. As you're pushing, please make sure you push it to the origin, not origin master now, but to develop. So I want it to simply push this for me to develop. That is the develop is the branch that I had created. So the current branch I'm working on. So we're also going to be able to set develop to be the major branch on the GitHub so that we don't make mistake and match the master. So that is the command. So I'm going to press the enter key. So it's going to put all the codes that I've written so far to the develop. So when we get back to GitHub, you should be able to see all my codes there. So you can access it, check it out, play with it, learn everything that has been done, look at the project structure, and be able to put yourself in the right place. So you can see it has already done that. So if I now go back to, if I go back to, this is my you remember this is the folder the team works. So I'm gonna click on it again, so I should be able to see my the files now. I'm having only read me as of the time I worked the last time. So I'm supposed to be able to see that. So I'm gonna go back to my to Stino, then I come back and check it out.